Alright, so the first one was a miserable failure. I overturned the OD by accident to 497. Don't do that. Yeah, I was trying to sneak up on it, but I screwed up. So I got this one to 499, and it feels like it's a pretty good fit. It wants to go in, so we'll get that in the casting, and then we'll drill it out for the ball bearing and the spring assembly, and then we'll get the power feed shaft checked out, and it's a good fit. It's got 1 thou clearance. There's no slop in there. So that should be more than enough for the oil or grease or whatever I'm going to put on there. And the old one is like 5 thou, so it's wallered out. So you can see it's kind of, that's probably, that may not be wear, that might just be from factory, I don't know. This really isn't too critical, because this is going to rub against the bowl gear. So this inside here, that's not really critical. It's that it's cleared for that face there. So I'm pretty happy. It's gonna come back together pretty soon here. Make sure this guy fits. It should fit. Yeah, he fits. Better fit. I'll be mad if he doesn't fit. But yeah, it's come along. So now we're just gotta push him in there, and he feels like he wants to go. And just get it back together.